If you're a current Amazon seller or you're looking to become an Amazon seller, one of the biggest things that makes it challenging for us to know how we can be successful or want to be successful is what products we actually sell. Now, there's this new method that we've been teaching our students as well as other people out there, and that method is called the test launch method. Now, the test launch method is a unique method because it allows you to actually test whether or not products are going to do good before you actually commit to having to place an order for things. Now, historically, you still have to go through all of the loops. You would still have to go and find the product, make sure it's good numbers-wise, profit-wise, so on and so forth. You would still have to go and talk to and actually discuss with the supplier, negotiate with them, and ultimately get the pricing that you want for that. And then number three, have to deal with actually shipping all of those products directly to Amazon and making sure that, hey, this product is in fact going to sell. Now, when you're doing a test order, the goal here is to order a small batch of units and then to run ads to that actual product once it's on Amazon to see whether or not and how it's actually going to perform. In this launch, your goal is to basically look at, am I getting sales? Is my ads that I'm running to the actual product getting impressions, clicks? How is my conversion rate? And then from there, you get to make the decision on whether or not you want to go and actually order a bulk order. So if you're new and you're listening to this and you're like, I don't want to risk away $5,000 or $10,000 to launch a product on Amazon. Instead, a way to de-risk that is by doing multiple test orders over multiple products. And that way you can figure out, out of 3 test orders, which product should I put all of my money into? Again, de-risking your investment. Now, Alibaba has just made this way easier. They just released a new service and tool on their platform called Alibaba Guaranteed. And as simple as it sounds, effectively what Alibaba Guaranteed does is you can actually go and find the products that you are looking to sell on Alibaba Guaranteed, see the actual pricing and pay that pricing. No more having to negotiate with the supplier, no more having to negotiate and try to get shipping for it because that price is going to include it all. Meaning when you're going and validating that product, you can actually take away all of the steps of having to reach out to suppliers directly, negotiate, get all of the things that you need as part of it. And instead, this will allow you to make your test orders and launches much quicker, much faster, and then you can go and figure out what products will actually sell in a much shorter period of time. There's no better way to be able to do that now with the power of Alibaba Guaranteed. Now, we went ahead and we've actually partnered with Alibaba to make this even easier for you to actually get success with. Now, Alibaba Guaranteed, because it's a new feature, what we've actually discussed and worked out with Alibaba is for them to give you a $20 Alibaba Logistics coupon to make it even easier for you to get started today. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull out my phone here. I'm gonna show you how Alibaba Guaranteed actually works. And that way you can see whether or not you can find the products that you're looking for so that you can go speed to market and get your products on Amazon and tested so that you can get ready for that bulk order of the product that is the winning test product, okay? Let's go ahead and dive in. So right now, as you can see here, I'm on Alibaba and I'm specifically on my phone. Now, I highly recommend you actually do use your phone for this, only because right now, Alibaba Guaranteed, it being new, doesn't actually have a search function when you're using it on your desktop. It is coming out soon, and by the time you listen to this video, it very well could in fact be there. But for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and actually go and search this. So as you can see here, I'm in the search function current state. In order for you guys to actually go and get our $20 coupon that we've worked out for you guys as our audience, is you're gonna go ahead and search up the thezabtwins, as you can see here on the search bar. And what it's going to do is it's going to reroute you directly to Alibaba Guaranteed. As you can see here, Alibaba Guaranteed products over 50% below retail price. Alibaba has actually worked with these suppliers. They've actually picked hot selling products, and a lot of the products you're probably sourcing and finding are in fact going to be on here. So you would go, and now you can actually use the search function in the top right and start searching up the different keywords that you're looking for. If I'm looking for a garlic press, we'll go ahead and actually search up garlic press. You can see on here, I have a bunch of different things. I have garlic presses at $159. It's gonna tell you the MOQ. For this one in the top left, it says 100 pieces, which means that you need to order a minimum of 100 pieces at $1.59, times that math. Do the math really quickly. 159 times by 100, which means that you're spending $159 on that order. I could have done that math in my head. But as you scroll down here, you guys get to actually see the other options and other suppliers that are offering a garlic press, right? Maybe you want to go and you pick something that's a little bit more professional and you want to pick this gold one here. You can actually go and, as you can see here, for this one has 10 cents per piece for 5 pieces. This comes in a 5-pack. So you really want to just go and actually figure out where exactly the product that you're looking for. You can actually talk to suppliers as well. And this is one thing that I was speaking with Alibaba. I'm like, you know, one of the things that we teach our students to do is actually go and customize our products. Now, one thing I will say is that not every single product that you are going to get access to on Alibaba Guaranteed will have the ability to customize it. However, you will be able to on a handful of them. You will be able to on a handful of them, and you'll actually see underneath this Alibaba Guarantee customizable. And in the bottom left, so you can see customizable here. This has the option of you maybe going and adding your logo on there. Maybe you want to change it. However, it all starts with having that conversation with a supplier. As you can see here on the chat now function in the bottom left corner, you're going to hit that. You're going to sign into the account. And you're effectively going to, if you haven't already, make sure you have an Alibaba account, but you're going to go and chat with them and talk about customizations that you are in fact wanting to do. Now, in order for you to do this, you'll be able to pick your freight in here, and that $20 off coupon is actually going to be off of the freight. So if you wanted to order, you know, this product here, you can see that for 5 pieces, the shipping is going to be $24.77. That's if we pick economy. There's obviously different types of freight you can select, but $20 will be covered if you do go and search up the Zap Twins, and that way it will be automatically applied to your balance after you go and actually start your order. You can of course order different and multiple products on here by adding to your carts in the bottom left corner here. And then you have the options, of course, of picking, you know, the color, different things that come with it. And you'll be able to see when it actually is going to be dispatched. This one has a 7-day dispatch period. And then if you want to start your order and you're ready to take action, you click start order, and you'll be able to go and actually pay for that order. It will auto apply your $20 discounts. Go ahead and do this after you, of course, log in. But it'll auto apply that $20 discount when you use the Zap Twins code, and you guys will get advantage of that. Now, on top of that as well, Alibaba Guaranteed is a great tool for anybody that is looking to buy small batches in bulk and have a guaranteed number of what you know you're going to actually get. If I'm paying $10 for something, I'm getting $10 all in the exact pricing. So this will make it so much easier for you to be able to source product as a whole. Now, you can do this on big bulk orders, or you can do this for test orders. It doesn't matter. You can even do this, for instance, I actually want to go and buy a bunch of stuff for our community right now, and I want to buy notebooks, I want to buy some pens. I'm actually going to go and use Alibaba Guaranteed to be able to do that, because I have that ability to do that, and I don't have to go and actually source that from a million people anymore. So it saves me time, it saves me the worry, and I think 9 times out of 10, this is going to solve the issue of what suppliers are actually showing on their actual platform. And because they want to make this as simple and as easy for you guys to trust the process of sourcing on Alibaba, they've actually put together an official money-back guarantee, which you can actually see on their website, to make it that much easier for you to get started with Alibaba Guaranteed today. Ultimately, this service was brought to help us small and medium-sized businesses make sourcing as simple as possible, knowing that when you look at a product, this is what you're going to be paying and this is what you're going to be getting. And on top of that as well, Alibaba putting their money where their mouth is and making sure that they have that money back guarantee. In addition to that as well, one thing that you'll also be able to save on is the frustration that comes with sourcing products. Now, I love sourcing on Alibaba. I've done it for all of our products effectively, but 9 times out of 10, when I'm going and sourcing and trying to get the margins on a product, we can all agree that many suppliers will post $1.99, but when we actually go and message them, they say that their pricing is $3.99. So Alibaba Guaranteed, the biggest benefits here is ultimately the time that you're going to save, the transparency amongst the suppliers. And as they build this out to be more of a service for people, it's going to have much more features that will allow you to take advantage of, so that you can get your product sooner and so that you can start making sales from those products even quicker. So again, if you are interested and want to get started with Alibaba Guaranteed today, in order for you to get that $20 coupon, make sure you type in thezabtwins in the search function, whether you're on desktop or you're on mobile. I highly recommend mobile so that you have that search function. and that way you can actually go ahead and get that coupon. Now, if you are a beginner and you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, we put together a step-by-step guide in a video format so that you can learn every step of the way and eventually get to the point of you actually using Alibaba Guaranteed as well. Just click the video on the screen and we'll see you on the next one.